Hello, and welcome to this final episode of our series on getting started with the .NET Client Library for the Google Ads API. If you made it this far in the series, you probably know me by now. I'm Benji Rothman, and I'm a developer relations engineer working on the Google Ads API. My, how far we've come together. We've started from scratch, and together we created all the credentials we needed. And we also created a .NET project, and we've learned how to import the client library for the Google Ads API. After that, we learned how to make use of the credentials we created to authenticate against the API. And now we're finally ready to make authenticated calls to the Google Ads API. As a Hello World project with the API, we're going to run the Ad Campaigns example. You can find the source code for it on GitHub, and I'll also leave you the link to it in the video description below, so you can run it and all the other code examples in your application to familiarize yourself with the API and its features. Here in my IDE, though, I have a slightly modified version of the ads campaign code example. I've chosen to copy over the num_campaigns_to_create variable, the run method, and create budget method only, so you can follow the video easier. I'll hardcode the ID of the Google Ads customer I want to make calls to so that I can remove a dependency from an external library. And at the bottom, I also changed the name of the campaigns we're going to create with Getting Started with .NET so we can recognize them. Now, let's compile and run the code example. Once it finishes executing, we can see that it's created 2 campaigns as specified by the number of campaigns to add at the top of the code example. So we can take a look at our Google Ads account then, and in the campaign section, we will see the 2 campaigns we just created. Hooray! This concludes our journey together, my friends. We started from scratch, and now we have a .NET project all set to interact with the Google Ads API that you can use as a basis to create your own application. Thanks a lot for following through this series. I hope you found it useful, and if you did, please click the like button on this and the other videos in this series. Above all, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can always be up to date with the Google Ads API. I hope to see you soon in the next video series.